All right guys, this bulb right here, we're gonna change that too. You can barely see it. Just twist it. There you go, here it is. Let's take it out. So guys, this is a 7440 bulb. Okay, here you go guys. Another one. That's from Axito as well. Look how nice this bulb look, guys. They should be extremely bright. Okay, let's put it on. Oh, it doesn't work at first. Flip it to 180 degrees. Ooh, blinded. Nice, right? Now let's put it back into the housing. All right, so much better, right guys? Now you can actually see. Okay, she's done.